Thank you, Hibak, for that report. Now, the new Kenya Cooperative Creameries needs an additional 600 milk cooling plants to effectively deal with milk glut during the rainy season. Livestock Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai says cash is being sought to finance the purchase and installation of the milk coolers.
In the latest supplementary budget, the new Kenya Cooperative Creameries was allocated 200 million shillings to mop up excess milk that will be produced during the long rains. The cash would be spent on installation of an additional 600 cooling plants by the new KCC across the country.
We are going to support farmers with the dairy farmers with 650 coolers so that they are able to continue supplying to the processors without wasting the milk, because we have a very short period of conserving the milk once it leaves the animal.
This is expected to stabilize milk farm gate prices to protect farmers.
If there will be overproduction of milk, then they will be able to offtake the milk and then turn them into powder, preserve them for future use, because you don't know whether we are going to have drought again.
The government is also preparing a livestock restock program in areas that were adversely affected by drought.
The grass is growing and what we need now is restocking. We are going to see how those who have been affected, how can we then support them with restocking.
He was speaking during the 10th Kenya Agriculture, Livestock and Research Organization anniversary celebrations, whose key message was on the private sector to commercialize their innovations.
Maize varieties only. I think we have over 200 maize varieties that have been developed for different agroecological zones.
Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.